Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in your Cheese online banking account on your mobile device. For that, firstly open your preferred web browser. Now at the search bar, simply search cheese.com. You will be led to the official page of Chase Bank account. At the top right corner, you can see the option sign in. You can tap over there. Now here you need to fill down your credential, that is your username, likewise your password. Now in case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your Chase account, you can simply tap on remember me option. And if you have any token, then you can use the token. If you have forgotten your password or your username, you can simply tap on option forget username or password and they will help you to get your account back. And in case if you haven't enrolled or signed up till now, then you can simply tap on the option not enrolled or sign up now and they will guide you for the further process to sign up for your Chase Bank account. Now if your credential is ready, you can write down all the credential and simply tap on sign in. And this is how simply you can log into your Chase Bank account in your mobile device. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.